Hey folks, Brad here. I'm out in this weather, the snow. I'll show you a little snow plow. Look at that snow plow going at it. Look at the snow, folks. Crazy. This has happened in a couple hours. Couple hours, not even that. Horribly thick. Look, I'm standing in the... Look, folks. I'm standing in the middle of the road right now. Walking across the street pretty much. Yeah. Snowy like a crazy fool. It just came out of nowhere like nothing. It's like a scary story. It's dark. I'm walking in the middle of the road, not even caring. It's not really cold out here either. It's just a little, it's a little nippy, but not cold. Now you barely see me, so I'm trying to keep a light on me. Cars down in ditches and everything right now. Got essential workers waiting at gas stations, trying to get to work. Essential workers like nursing home, hospital people. There's a bunch of them, kind of like 3-4 of them sitting at the gas station. Snowplow only doing certain streets, and he keeps going around in circles. If he's doing them streets, meaning he's doing something, he ain't doing nothing. But on the update of my leg, I'm out doing, as you can see me in this video, dumpster diving, because I can't stop. I love it too much. I love making videos for you all. Yeah, I know my health is important too, but I love you all not to put videos out for you, leave you hanging. I want to put videos out for y'all, care about y'all. I don't do it just to do it. I do it because I love doing it, putting videos out. And I love you all for subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing. You guys are awesome. All y'all. Not just one of you, not just a handful of you. 108 of you, plus all the ones that are just liking and viewing it. I thank you for that. Or the ones that are just commenting. Thank you. Just hopefully you can like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's see what we're gonna hear. Nothing. Nothing, folks. Let's see on this side. Look, you can tell nobody's been here. No foot tracks, nothing. That dumpster usually has nothing in it. It's a Goodwill. Ooh, boy. Some thick-ass snow, folks. Some thick snow. And you can see it. It's snowing like a crazy mofo. I mean, I'm walking in the snow right now and it's up past my ankles. Literally. Up past my ankles. And nobody's been through here, nobody's drove through here. It's all fresh snow. And it's up past my ankles. Alright, let's test and see how what's out in this dumpster. Not much of nothing, same as I knew yesterday, or earlier today. 2 more dumpsters to check. Yeah, but back in my leg's doing fine. Well, can't say fine, but putting it in my head saying it's fine. It hurts when I bend it, move it, or anything. My leg brace, I got my leg brace on. Yeah. It kind of helps, but it don't. I mean, it still hurts. It ain't gonna take the pain away. And just so I don't kind of like. Folks, am I crazy? Or am I seeing a bag of dog food? Nope, they tricked me. They tricked me, folks. They tricked me. Nothing, folks, nothing. You might not see me for a second. I'll try to make it where you can see me. Alright. I don't know how well you can see me, but... Oh! Sorry. My hands are freezing. Trying to get a little warm here. Yeah, so, then y'all want to comment, like, share, subscribe, anything, please do. Appreciate it. Any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, always ask down below. Don't be shy to ask questions or anything of the above. There's some pop or something way down there, but I ain't jumping in there. You lost your mind. I'm not saying that trying to be mean, but folks, I'm gonna have to let you go. Just thought I'd show you a little bit of a dumpster dive video real quick. I appreciate y'all, love y'all. Thank y'all for your prayers, comments, all the above. Thank you, Gabby. Thank you, Scrap Dog. Thank you, Katrina. Thank you, CM. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Priscilla, Mildred, Jessica, Lovda, Rhonda K. Oh, everybody, God bless you. Prayers, thank you. YBY, you be you.